friends, in this tutorial we discuss about how to use texture image in the curved surface. So first I create one flat rectangular surface, the same length. After that I can import whatever I want to texture. First place that texture image into your flat surface. Okay. After placing them, just click and right click, texture, projected. Okay. Now you can double check texture, projected is tick. Okay. So now is projected texture. This is normal and this is not a normal texture. This is a projected texture. Okay. So now you can go material tab and here sample paint pick point. So just click and pick the sample and apply the material here. Now you can see perfect textured copy. Okay. The same you can use normal one. It is not possible. So this way you can use your texture in curved surface also. Any type of curved surface you first apply normal flat surface, then you can project it, then use that projected material. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.